going on, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 back once again. And here's another Hunter original ceiling fan video, this time in the 38-inch Chestnut Brown variety. This is a model 22826. Here's the tag. The fan is from 1982. Your motor draws 1.2 amps on these smaller originals. As you can tell, the fan hazes the reverse air blade brackets, which were an option. You could either have these fans with the standard horseshoe brackets or these reverse air brackets from this time period. The adapter system was only available on the fans from like 1980 older. Even though I do have a 1982 Hunter original with adapter brackets, but the brackets are older since the fan and the blades, the motor and the blades are packaged separately on these fans, like I said before. So I have to leave the light on for the video, as you can see, because yeah, my hallway is never really much of a lighted space on natural lighting, especially since it's an overcast day. But regardless, we'll start it up on low speed. This fan I picked up probably, I would say, around 3 years ago from Habitat. Paid like 15 bucks for it. And the fan's in real nice shape for its age. And it even has its original switch housing cap. It never was used with a light originally, but being a hallway fan here, it's got to have a light. The fan runs pretty quietly. It's got a bit of a vibration when it's running, but it's actually been pretty quiet now. But sometimes it has a little vibration. And here's high. Pretty nice. Power it off here. Go ahead and stop it. And demonstrate, well, I really can't demonstrate it on camera, but I will show you the reverse pitch on the reverse air system. To reverse the pitch on these blades, you simply just got to push in on each individual blade by holding the fan's oil cup and pretty much just twisting it in the opposite direction. Adapter is a little easier. On the 52-inch ones, you have a lever that you just simply turn, and it turns all 4 blades simultaneously. On the 38-inch variety, you have to, they're click. You don't have to push them in, you just click them into opposite pitch, which is nice. Which I do have a video of a 38-inch adapter system if you want to see that in action. But I gotta set you down here for a second and reverse these blades, and I'll be right back. And there's the fan with the blades reversed. It's an optical illusion that the blades appear to have much more steeper pitch in this position, but think of it as looking at a fan through the mirror. It's the same kind of illusion. We'll start up on high. And unfortunately, these 6-inch originals were discontinued in 1984. And 1985, Hunter actually just started making electrically reversible originals. A year after these were discontinued. It took them around 100 years to make these style fans reversible. But this is actually one of the latest, or the longest lasting version of ceiling fan ever produced. All the way from since the early 1900s to even made today. But only limited varieties now. So I guess they still has the crown on that aspect. But yeah, they definitely took a long time for these models to become electrically reversible. Even when Emerson and GE, I believe, did it a lot earlier on. And as it's spinning down, the light fitter on the fan is Fasco, and the shade is Newtone. And there it is. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video on this 38-inch Hunter Reverse Air Original in Chestnut Brown from 1982. See you next time, everybody. Take care.